Hunter, tell us what makes Heartland Tire unique.
Well, we take great care of our customers, and we have free loaner cars to help people when they got bigger repairs to get done. We do full service here, anything from oil changes, tires, check engine light diagnostics, engine replacement, transmission replacement, everything and anything, we can do it. We sponsor a lot of the Champlin, Brooklyn Park, Osseo area sports, anywhere from hockey, baseball, wrestling. We do a lot of donations, sponsorships. We also work with a lot of big companies out there, help on fleet vehicles and stuff like that as well.